This is a 4K video captured on a mobile phone using the MicroREC mobile phone imaging technology. In my opinion, the MicroREC is the future of ophthalmic imaging in terms of video and image capture. Well, why is that? Well, that is because principally mobile phones have improved significantly in terms of the quality of their cameras. We now have up to 8K video capture and really high quality images. They've been designed by phone manufacturers to empower consumers who are not photographers to be able to take really high quality images. The other reason why I like this system is because as we upgrade our mobile phones, we automatically upgrade our imaging, unlike having to purchase a whole new system. The MicroREC also comes with its very own app, which is very handy because it inverts the image correctly because the image coming out of the slit lamp is inverted, and also conveniently provides a location for which your professional images, in other words, images about eyes and eye diseases and surgeries, are in a separate folder away from your personal photographs. The app also allows you to play back images and review them and even show them live, and this is useful for live streaming. In terms of compatibility, the MicroREC works with almost all slit lamps and operating microscopes. The only question you need to ask yourself is whether you actually have a beam splitter or not. If you do not have a beam splitter, then you can purchase an add-on from MicroREC, which includes a beam splitter, and these beam splitters will fit again a large majority of operating microscopes and slit lamps. If you already have a beam splitter, then we simply need to know the make and model of your slit lamp, and we will be able to provide an adapter that fits the MicroREC so that you can start capturing straight away. So what's it like in the real world? Well, here we see the MicroREC in my consulting room attached to a mobile phone and slit lamp. It's got a beam splitter, and you can see we're looking at a patient who's had DALK surgery. I've got it connected wirelessly so that it shows a live view on a large monitor. This means that it's just connected on the same Wi-Fi network, and it allows me to show patients what I've recorded to provide really clear explanations. So if you want to know more about the MicroREC and the future of ophthalmic imaging, contact us at www.optimed.co.uk and we'll be able to show you how you can capture amazing quality imaging in your practice. Thank you.